In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a community on Circle. So step by step. First, head over to Circle, sign in to your admin account, and open the community you want to work on. Once you're inside, start by setting up the foundation of your community. Click on your community name or logo, then go into Settings. Here, you'll define the basics like your community name, URL, brand colors, logo, visibility settings, and default spaces. This is an important part because it shapes the first impression members will have when they join. Next, decide whether your community should be public or private. You can do this in Settings under Visibility. If you want a more open community, you can allow visitors to sign up themselves. If you want more control, a private setup may be the better option. This choice really depends on the type of experience you want to create. After that, begin organizing your structure with space groups. Space groups help keep everything clean and easy to navigate. For example, you might create sections for getting started, community, courses, events, or resources. To create one, hover over a space group area in the sidebar, click the plus icon, choose Create Space Group, enter the name, and then click Create. Once your groups are in place, create your spaces. These are the main building blocks of your Circle community. You can add spaces for posts, events, images, chat, courses, and members. A simple setup could include a welcome space and introduction space, community guidelines, general discussion, questions and help, announcements, courses, and resources. As you build each space, set the access level carefully. For every space, decide if it should be open, private, or secret. To do that, open the space, go to Customize, then Access, and select the option that fits. This helps you control who can see what as your community grows. Now create a welcome area. A welcome or introduction space is especially useful for getting new members comfortable. Add a pinned welcome post that explains what the community is about, how to get started, the community rules, where to find important content,